from my case study. One is Karshan Das by Patel's story. You know the story of Nirma, all of you know, but for the sake of repetition, let me repeat it. Now I will repeat it in the form of a story. Shantabai's husband works in a factory. So the dirt which is deposited in his clothes, it doesn't go with any other soap. She has to gissore with a bar. The Sunday some guy picked up in his back of his bicycle a powder called Nirma. It was delivered to Santabai's house, and Santabai carried the message to the 14th, 15th floor of high-rising buildings which she used to serve. She said, "Ma'am साहब, आपकी जो किचन का कपड़े है ना, ये आपकी सर्फ एक्सेल से नहीं धुलेगा, आपको निरमा चाहिए." So society had a latent demand of such product which nobody, no large industry understood. Who understood it? A guy who has seen the ground realities, and that is why I am here. We have to get into the ground realities, and rest is the story. And let me tell you how cost saving comes in. After establishing the brand value of Nirma, when Mr. Karshan Das Bhai Patel came with soap, bath soap, he never had to spend money for brand building of Nirma bath soap. Because brand comes from corporate first and not the product. The corporate brand has already been built for the lower echelon of the society. And that's the Nirma story. The second story is 3M Cellotape. As you know, Cellotape was a huge failure of 3M Corporation. Why? Because it was considered to be a product for industrial packaging. Finally, one day, the lowest rung of the workmen said one thing, "Sir, कैसा ना क्यों करते हैं? हम लोग एक टेप को ना एक कटर में बिठा देते हैं, और उसका एक सॉ लगा देते हैं, so that ये चिपकता नहीं है. आधा प्रोडक्ट मेरा खराब होता है चिपकने के लिए, and rest is history in India. Every single shop you go, there is a cutter mounted Cellotape, and the huge success. What is this? This is nothing but innovationism. He invented an idea. But don't invent the idea like Colgate toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste is a failure story. What is that story? One day one worker said, the dispensing diameter of the mouth of the toothpaste tube, please increase this. People will start consuming more. The reflex was, अब आधा सोए आधा जगे, आपने ट्यूब दबाया, ज़्यादा आ गया. How many days you can fool a person? You cannot fool everybody for every time, right? So that's why I said that innovationism with a bit of caution. Now, my next thought is that let CMA apply the principle of Swiss knife. What is a Swiss knife? I was in Switzerland in 2012. Of course, I was in Western Europe, 9 countries I traveled, so I landed in Switzerland. And somebody was buying Swiss knife. I knew about it, that is an army requirement. But why army requires it? To fight a battle, right? Indian MSMEs are nothing but fighting a battle today, right? Fighting battles with whom? China. If you need to fight a battle for this kind of a Swiss knife, then you need to fight a battle with 9-10 ideas on the same ground at the same time for MSMEs, don't you agree? Who has the knowledge of becoming 9 knife or 10 equipment principle in one? Who can be many in one? The guy who is at the ground, that is the CMS. So I request you to build on COSO. I don't know how many of you have read COSO and COBIT. COSO is one of the most important tool of cost management and system management, and COBIT is another tool for risk analysis and risk-oriented approach. I request you to go to COSO and COBIT and look at the drivers, the cost management perspectives and drivers with the Swiss knife principle. The Swiss knife principle will definitely keep in mind that I don't have to only a cost auditor, or a cost record keeper, or an indirect service provider. I have to take care of everything an MSME requires, accepting his own business, which he understands better than me. Rest of the things I understand better. Let us partner and then get the best out of it. Thinking time will definitely reduce working time. And here I reconcile with Make in India, 6WH principle. Now look at this slide a bit. When we are talking about cost management or cost reduction or cost saving or strategic cost management, are we talking about any of this? Or are you talking about all of this? What Mr. Sikka is doing in Infosys is this right sizing. Right? Mr. Sikka is doing right sizing, right? What is right sizing meaning? India has got enormous talent. What is the problem in India is understand which talent is applicable where. And that is a mistake over the years Infosys did. And Mr. Sikka has started doing right sizing. So what is most important today? Who can analyze failure better than anybody else? Exploring failure is the most useful result of failure. And Einstein said, when I failed 300 times doing a work in laboratory, I have learned all the 300 times one thing. That is not the way of doing the thing. And that is what CMS can come and tell. That, sir, you do your business, leave the best way of doing the rest of the things to me. I am your service provider. I will be sharing your fortune, not charge you a fee. Okay, now I will give you a story. And any one of in the audience, if you know this story, please keep your horse a bit hold. Here is a story of a ship. And you will be really enjoying this story. Here is a story of a ship. I think we should have time for another 15 minutes. Okay. So this story is of a ship which got stuck up 100 nautical miles away from the shore where it was to be parked. The diesel was getting burnt and the ship was not moving. Rest of the engineers were there, and this guy who was the best of the captains, he was in the board of directors of that shipping company. He was so perturbed. Why my ship is not moving? Here is a gentleman who used to be the good old days engineer of ships. One of the sailors, he said, sir, we are in such a city that one of the best ship engineers is sitting. Why don't you go and call him? So once boat was sent to the port, this gentleman was brought in. To the utter anger, dissatisfaction and surprise of the captain of the ship, he came with a small toolbox. Old man, we can't carry a big toolbox. He came with a small toolbox. He first went to the deck of the ship, top deck, and gradually came down to the bottom deck and moved around the engine for just 5 minutes, and finally took a small hammer and hit it. One place, the engine started. The engine started, and everybody said, bravo, the engine has started. The captain was very happy. He said, thank you very much, sir. You have saved a lot of money for us. Please send your bill. Okay, the bill was sent in those days for $10,000. This guy, captain guy, was very unhappy, very angry. What has happened? Why this guy has sent 10,000? He just spent 15 minutes with us. Ask him to send an itemized bill. So this bill was sent. And I'll read for you. Tapping with a hammer is just $2. And knowing where to tap is $9,998. Now, where to tap for success is this key skills of the CMS. And that is called strategic cost management. We have to understand which industry, where the tapping is to be done. We don't need exotic tools for that. We need our experience, our skill in understanding what is the driver of the problem. Again, another ant philosophy. You must have seen this picture. It is a little exaggerated that the apple cannot be carried by 2 ants. But I believe Indian MSME sector, if anyone can do this mission successful, it is the MSME sector. and they can be considered as ants in comparison. What is needed is keeping the antenna switched on, doing an introspective analysis, finding the center of gravity of the problem and hold it. Success is there. If that is to be done, then one thing has to be understood. The understanding has to be that no success comes with public knowledge. Today the entire disruptive business technology or business model doesn't come from public knowledge. One Mr. Sabir Bhatia just invented internet communication, and rest is history in the country. But what he did, he went to the unexplored area, which is not known to his company and which is not known to himself. He went to the unexplored area. Because if you go from what is not known to you and known to your competitors, it is a blind area. And journey from blind to unexplored area is not diagonally upside. Your unique strength cannot be continuing your unique strength in no time. That's why I don't agree with Mr. Peter Drucker as of now. That unique strength doesn't survive. Kodak required to file more than 50 years for its Chapter 11. But many companies within 10 years are filing their Chapter 11. Chapter 11 means the liquidation. I am a party to many Chapter 11s, I don't want to discuss about it. The point is, carrying the MSMEs, or for that matter, by now you must have understood that what I am talking about, MSMEs are equally applicable for large scale sector. Carrying the MSMEs from blindness to unique strength and there to unexplored area, who can help? It is the CMS who can help, because you are not sitting and writing books and doing direct tax practices. It is CMS who can help us. Okay, I have presented this many times, but I am sure this theory is known to you. What is the definition of cost? The orthodox definition of cost is the value you sacrifice to gain another value. That is the definition of cost, right? My definition of cost is little different. My definition of cost is driven by the consumer. His cost is what value he derives. And after that, the Shylocks takes their share. Who are the Shylocks? The government takes their share. The money lender takes their share. What is left with you is the cost, right? Do you agree? So, you are not ascertaining the cost. You are understanding the cost within which you have to produce and deliver any product or service. So, to understand what is the value of a service or a product, to derive what cost within which you have to deliver is a journey. No longer in our children's days we used to see export quality product. Can you today say that I produce export quality for product for Indians? Absolutely no, because of two reasons. One, the lady sitting here would like to have a Michael Kors, right? Michael Kors ka bag, that is available in India. Madam, do you agree with me? That is your fashion show. And second is, every single Indian has a right to have an export quality product if an organization of India is exporting an export quality product. So there is no difference between export quality and Indian quality. The point is, the problem is lack of business plan, unstructured management, slackness in risk management, and dependence on few trusted souls. These few trusted souls who are doing the rest of the business, this orthodoxy of trust has to be brought to the CMA profession. That is what is most important. Fight more than once the battle, if not first fight. So I said that the best prize of failure is how to explore the failure. And when you do failure comes from risk. My mother at 11 o'clock in the morning left home, and by 2 o'clock I came to know that she is in coma. What was the issue? Issue was, she was the chairperson of an NGO, and of an NGO who runs NGO for destitute women and widow women, and she was asked to go by a taxi in her age. She was at that point of time 74, she refused. She landed down from a bus and crossing near Ravindra Sadan. She said that all of you first cross. If I lose my life, that's not an issue. You are the future. And she was hit by a minibus. Who understood this risk? That the young people can be hit by a risk. Every day is a day of risk. And this is the universe of risk. This slide I am opening perhaps for the 50th time in my life. Because I do risk management oriented papers and presentations many times. But I have only one single line to talk to you, is this line. CMS can help mapping every MSME unit on its CGU, cash generation unit, versus applicable risk and recommend mitigation actions with an approach for sustainability. Risk management is never a quick fix solution, believe me. Today you fix it, tomorrow the risk will come out in some other manner. So it has to be a sustainable fixing. And sustainable fixing comes from first understanding of the risk, second value at risk, and third the value mitigation measures. And mapping the risk with your business is most important. I think you must have seen in one of the presentations this particular slide about 7 to 8 years before in Bhaidas Hall. Okay, the next I talk about 4R principle and 7C's principle. 4R principle is doing the right thing with the right process at the right value at the right time. These 4R principles are to be supported by this bottom principle. What cannot be measured cannot be controlled. This is the universal theory. Who can measure? Financial accounting can measure the cost of a product? Answer is no. Financial accounting can do ABC costing? Answer is no. Financial accounting can...
There is a great need of digitization. License Raj. All those things will have
That is what
to go and you'll have to focus on is to do business, because ultimately the investors would like to see the return on capital. And let me tell you, the investors are ruthless, and that's how this kind of...
I don't want to repeat it. So, this slide I want to repeat, and I will request you to read it.
Capital market, that's...
Sir, this paper will be uploaded in the Cost Institute, sir. What I am trying to tell you is that this is a very, very unstable structure, right? This is a very unstable structure. And the situation of Indian MSMEs is unstable. Now, where to put the first pillar, how to construct the pillar to make it stable, so that in the run for money, my client is successful, is the job of the MSMEs. Sectors CMA attached. It is not cost audit. It is not direct and indirect services of tax. It is not cost record maintenance. It is partnering the MSME sector, for that matter any industrial unit. So you have to understand the value chain, and executive summaries should be thrown away by the cost accountants. You should be having a nagging need of reading the fine prints of everything. I never did that. That's why my boss used to be very unhappy. अरे तुम इतना टाइम लेता है, इतना पेपर लेके आता है. I had one single record in Reliance industry. I never entered any boardroom of Reliance Communications with any assistant with me. I used to enter only with 2 files. He was my colleague. And my chairman, as you know, Reliance Communication will be a distinguished board. And Adit Purva, ex-chairman of SBI, used to say, Dr. Basu seems to be having all answers to all questions. That was the compliment I got from him. And how do you do it? You don't have anybody behind you. I said, I have thrown away executive summaries. And that's what is the keynote of success for SMS tomorrow. And this is something from Gita. The Gita has said, and I repeat, I read the book of Swamiji, which elucidated the thought of Swami Vivekananda. of Ramakrishna Mission, Swamiji wrote about it, is that if you have to serve anybody, you serve him as the servicing of the God. As the servicing of the God. And God means you have to consider your client as the God. And the only strategy would be that you have to have a win-win strategy. So proposition for strategic cost management is only one. That means the utility derived is more than the cost spent. The answer should be sustainable value generation skill